So next we're going to talk about how to find the perimeter of a circle. Now one thing I want to note here is that because it's a curved surface, it's actually technically called the circumference of a circle. The circumference just means the perimeter of a curved surface. Okay, so when we talk about a curved surface, we generally try to use the word circumference rather than just perimeter. So in order to figure out the perimeter of a circle, I only need to know one thing, and that is the distance from the center of the circle to the outside. We call this R, which stands for the radius. Okay, we abbreviate that to R. So in order to find the circumference of a circle, the rule is that the circumference equals 2 times pi times R. For those of you who haven't seen this idea of pi before, there's actually a button on your calculator that does it for you, but pi is essentially equal to 3.14152, and then those numbers actually continue on forever. But for our usage, you can just use pi button on the calculator. So, for example, if I draw myself up a circle, let's draw it up here, and I find out that the radius is 3 meters. I'll put example up here. Alright, so to figure it out, I'm going to figure out that the circumference equals 2 times pi times the radius. So 2 times pi times the radius, which is 3. And I can actually type that into my calculator using this pi button. So the answer actually comes out to be 18.849 something. So I'm going to shorten that to 18.85, and then at the end I'm going to mention that I've rounded off to 2 decimal places. There's my answer.